change the engine oil and filter on your Sportsman Highlifter, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface in a well-ventilated area. Ensure the transmission is in park and set the parking brake. Next, start the engine, allow it to warm up at idle for 2 to 3 minutes, and stop the engine. Continue by cleaning the area around the dipstick. Remove the dipstick and set it aside. Next, place a drain pan under the engine crankcase. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of oil. Then, clean the area around the oil drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the oil to drain completely. Next, remove the oil filter cover plate by loosening the 3 fasteners holding it in place. Then, turn the oil filter counterclockwise to remove it. Using a clean, dry cloth, clean the filter sealing surface on the crankcase. Lubricate the O-ring on the new filter with a film of fresh engine oil and check to make sure the O-ring is in good condition. Install the new filter and rotate it clockwise by hand until the filter gasket contacts the sealing surface. Then turn it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the drain plug and ensure the sealing surfaces are free of any nicks or scratches. Also install a new sealing washer on the drain plug. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Before continuing, clean any residual oil off the vehicle. Reinstall the oil filter plate and fasteners. Torque the fasteners to specification. Add the proper amount of the recommended oil. Do not overfill. Next, reinstall the dipstick and wipe away any residual oil. Start the engine and allow it to idle for 1 to 2 minutes. Stop the engine and inspect for any leaks. Next, remove the dipstick and wipe with a clean shop towel. Reinstall the dipstick fully and remove again to inspect the oil level. Add oil as needed to bring the level to the upper mark on the dipstick. Wipe up any residual oil and dispose of the used oil and filter properly. Next, use a grease gun to grease all suspension grease zerks. Refer to your owner's manual to find all grease zerks for your vehicle. Then, move to the rear of the vehicle and clean the spark arrestor. Before performing this procedure, remove any combustible materials from the area and never run the engine in an enclosed area. Remove the arrestor cleanout plug on the bottom of the muffler. Next, start the engine. Then quickly squeeze and release the throttle several times to purge carbon from the system. Do not stand near the spark arrestor when performing this step. Before continuing, allow the exhaust to cool completely to prevent the risk of burns. Reinstall the arrestor cleanout plug and torque the fastener until fully seated. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.